In this video, I will walk you through the content tab on YouTube Studio Analytics. With this tab, you can easily find data for your videos, shorts, live stream and post all in one place. So you can compare analytics for different content types and see what's working with your audience. The content tab is tailored for you and depends on the type of content you post. There are tips for all videos, shorts, live and post, which let you easily see metrics for each content type. On videos section you will see views, impression click-through rate and average view duration. Under that you will see top videos. Also you can see how viewers find your videos, YouTube search terms, external sites or apps, content suggestion you, playlist featuring you and many more. You can also see the key moments for audience retention. Here you will see intros, top moments, spikes and dips. Up next you will see shorts, and here you see views, likes and subscriber you gain. Also you can see top shorts and how viewers find your shorts, external site, YouTube search term and content suggestion you, playlist featuring you. Next you will see live. Here you can also see views, impression click-through rate, average view duration and more. Under that you will see top live stream. Under that you will see how viewers find your live stream. Also you can see YouTube search terms, external sites or apps, content suggesting your video and playlist featuring you and more. And last you will see post. Here you will see post impression, top image post, top polls and more. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.